Picture this, you're cruising down a winding country road, wind in your hair, the sound of birds chirping, and behind you, your entire home. Not a bulky RV or a loud camper van, but a sleek, retro-style tricycle camper that turns heads wherever you go. Welcome to 2025, where freedom on three wheels is more than a dream, it's a lifestyle. And this is not just any camper, this is a rolling piece of nostalgia mixed with futuristic innovation. It's compact, cozy, and shockingly clever. So buckle up, you're going to want to see this till the end. Imagine something straight out of a 1960s sci-fi magazine but reimagined for modern adventurers. The outside is a gorgeous blend of chrome accents, vintage pastel color tones, and round porthole windows that scream retro future. It's the kind of design that stops people in their tracks. Whether you're parked by the beach, the mountains, or a music festival, everyone's going to want a peek inside. And once they do, they'll be shocked at what's hiding in this tiny frame. Step inside and you're welcomed by a space that somehow feels much bigger than it is. Every inch is brilliantly utilized. Think warm wooden textures, retro upholstery, a mini pop-up dining nook, and even a pull-out bed that transforms in seconds. There's ambient LED lighting tucked into the seams, giving it that cozy glow once the sun sets. And yes, there's a mini kitchenette, equipped with a small stove, sink, and even a retro-style mini fridge that looks like it came out of a 1950s diner. It's like stepping into another era, but with all the modern comforts at your fingertips. Now let's talk power. It's electric. Fully electric. The 2025 Retro Camper Trike runs on a whisper-quiet motor that delivers enough range to take you off the beaten path without worrying about gas stations. It charges fast, it's eco-friendly, and it costs next to nothing to run. Solar panels on the roof juice up your interior lights, small appliances, and your devices, so you can go off-grid for days. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time road nomad, this trike is built to follow you anywhere. And did I mention it's unbelievably easy to drive? Unlike a traditional RV that feels like steering a ship, this three-wheeler is nimble and surprisingly quick. Perfect for weaving through narrow town streets, dirt paths, or peaceful coastal roads. It's compact enough to park in a standard parking space, yet it gives you everything you need to live life on your own terms. But here's the thing, this isn't just about camping. This is about changing the way we think about homes. With rent and housing prices skyrocketing, more and more people are ditching the traditional idea of settling down in one spot. Why pay thousands a month for a space you barely enjoy when you could own something like this for a fraction of the price, and take it wherever your heart desires? And don't let the size fool you. The craftsmanship is next level. It's durable, weatherproof, and built for all seasons. Rain, sun, wind, this camper trike stands strong. It's not a gimmick. It's a real, livable space that gives you both independence and adventure. So whether you're looking for an escape pod from the daily grind, a statement-making weekend ride, or even a full-time living solution, the 2025 Retro Camper Tricycle RV checks every box. It's stylish, smart, and soul-freeing. A beautiful fusion of past and future, all packed into three wheels. The future of freedom doesn't have four wheels anymore, and honestly, it never needed to.